Do you want a ton of free effects without having to go search for them? Well, today I'm giving you everything all in one folder, as well as completely free. So the first thing you want to do is go down in the description and there will be a link to the Google Drive. Once you click that link, it should take you to a folder called Effects. Once you're here, you'll see all of the effects that I added in this folder. From here, go up to this drop down arrow, click on it, and click on Download. This will zip the file to your computer. Once it's in your file explorer, right click on it and click Extract All. Once you choose where you want to extract it, click Next. So here it is extracted on my desktop. If you click on it, you can see all the effects that are in this folder. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use these effects. So open up that folder I just gave you and bring in an effect that you like. I'm going to go with this one and I'm going to drag it in. Click that check mark, go over here to blend mode and choose either screen or color dodge. With screen, it looks like this and I'm going to drag it down here. Now you'll see there's some hard lines. I'll show you how to fix that right now. Go to add a raster mask right here, click on it. Go to your brush tool on the left side of your screen. Make sure the top box is black and the bottom box is white. You can hit X to alternate through them, which you'll have to do in a second. So hold Alt and right click and drag your mouse right to make it bigger, left to make it smaller, and then go up to make it softer and down to make it harder. We're going to go with the soft brush. So once the black is at the top, that means it'll remove whatever you click. So when I drag, it'll remove that hard line. Or if I want to add it back, I hit X, switch it back to the white, and draw it back on. So some of these have black backgrounds and some of these are transparent. So the ones with the black backgrounds, just do what I just showed you and you should be good. If you guys want access to all of these folders with tons of effects and backgrounds and much more, I'd highly suggest becoming a member on the channel. If you go to my channel and you click join right here, you'll see everything you get for $5 a month. Custom emojis, badges, access to all those folders and much more. It's not required, you guys just watching the videos is plenty, but it would definitely help you out. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what kind of packs you guys want to see. Eventually, I'm going to compile all of these effects into a graphics pack. Then I will be releasing that on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see that, don't forget to subscribe. And that's all I got for you guys today. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.